how to link your bank account to Fidelity. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can link your bank account to Fidelity. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Fidelity Bank website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. So once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Account Straight. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for transfers. Click on Transfers. On this page, you will see a section for Manage. Under Manage, you will see an option for Manage Bank Accounts. Click on Manage Bank Accounts. Then here, you will see a Link a New Bank Account button. Click on the Link a New Bank Account button. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity first. Click on the contact info from which you wish to receive the code. Then click on Next. After that, select whether you want to receive the code via text message or automated call. In this video, I chose to receive the code via text message. Click on the option you wish to select, then click on Next. Once you receive the security code, enter it, then click on Next. Now, select the transfer type, either EFT or bank wire. If you have more than one Fidelity account, select the Fidelity account from which you would like to link the bank to. Then click on Continue. Now, select the bank account owner as well as the account type. Then click on Continue. On this page, enter the bank information. On the first field, enter the routing number. On the second and third field, enter the account number. After that, read the terms and conditions. Once read, review the routing and account number. Then click on Agree and Continue. Now you will see a message saying that they've linked this bank to your Fidelity account. If you have other Fidelity accounts, you could also link this bank to them by clicking on the Select All option. If you wish not to, click on Deselect All. Then click on the Submit and Finish button. So that's how you can link your bank account to Fidelity. That's all for this video.